In these days, enormous one and all knows what is contemporary three-piece multipurpose attire. That's why everybody wants to check either these attires are there in their own wardrobe or not. Moreover, whom doesn't like to look stylish in their lives?
These fashionable multi-purpose three-piece attires are works like as a disparate manner. That's why these are now in trend. Rather than we check how it will be working.
In brief, explaining about palazzo, dhotis, slim or culottes, lehengas, and finally saris. At first, palazzo or sharara pants with crops and coats. The lavish layering palazzo or sharara with crop top and long strokes mixes a spellbound combo. Its presence stylish, modish, and relaxed too. With small embroidery prints, looks tremendous. Additionally, these are suits for brunches, casual get-togethers. Not only that, in destination weddings, the modern brides and bridesmaids' most favorite choice are these trendy outfits. In this photo, you can see the variation in palazzo skirt.
To come with dhotis with crops and coats or capes. The stylish fashionable appearance is perfect in dhoti crop combo. It gives an ethnic appearance in fusion style. Perfectly works for stylized persons in traditional parties. In this picture, first one is a variation of dhoti pant with crop and coat. Second and third pictures are examples of dhoti sari. These contemporary attires are perfect for modern fashion beauties. The dhoti skirts makes an excellent presence at parties. In this picture, the first one is a monochromatic dhoti skirt with cascading shrug. It gives elegant and perfect for slim presence. Second one, which is a contrast color combo with embellished jacket, presents classic royal look. Here, third one, very stylish, elegant ruffled dhoti skirt with beautifully embroidered coat. It presents glamorous, stylish look. All these are the best suits for pre-wedding celebrations.
Afterward, tops and slim or culottes pants with jackets. The fantastic fusion chic appeared by tops and slim or culottes pants pairing with jacket. They are tremendous, comfortable, trendy B. It gives sophisticated chic. In this picture, first and third, embroidered slim pants, elegance in parties and weddings. In the middle, overall plain gives classy, highlighting the embroidery. Exclusively in a European chic, you can see slim pants and denims prints. They gives youthful, stylish. Moreover, in leather, sportsy detailing makes a stylish, trendy, casual, easygoing styles. Don't forget, the detailing and fabulous prints have more important for these looks. Of course, the immense popularity of crop tops with side ruffles and culotte in fashion, it gives youthful, stylish, playful, elegant party presence to the attire.
At last, lehengas with crop tops and coats. The lavish fit for a queen look is the appearance of layering lehengas with coats or capes are trendy now. It gives stylized presence in a trendy ethnic parties or festivals. In this picture, first one is lehengas with embellished coat gives a queen look to the brides. These outfits made her day with royal presence. Second one is a corset style top with gracefully embossed lehenga with jacket gives glamorous touch to the parties. Third one is beautifully embroidered lehenga with cape gives the classic appearance to the pre-post wedding celebrations.
In these both monochromatic lehengas from the picture, first one is decent embroidering lehenga with jacket, suits for weddings. Second one is embossing lehenga with constructing detailing jacket, perfectly suits for parties. Next, this printed lehengas with printed strug or coats gives playful attitude, best suits for destination weddings. Especially sari with jackets, coats or capes.
Saris and blouses pairing with coats or capes makes a trendy stylish look. The modern woman's favorite choice for cocktails and high profile parties. In this picture, first one is plain sari with embroidered coat gives royalty in weddings. Second one is plain sari with printed shock gives an eye-catching appearance in weddings. Third one is contrasting shrug on sari gives dominating appearance.
Next, first and third, one are white gold combo, highlighting the occasion. Second one is neutral with white combo, especially the tassel jacket makes a special mark. These monochromatic saris with capes from this picture gives tremendous graceful presence in weddings or glamorous parties.
By mixing match all these three-piece dresses invokes furthermore variety of outfits to be elegant, youthful, trendy, feminine, fashionable, stylish, playful. In addition to enhancing glamour by ensembles various trendy accessories are fashionable too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Never made one like before, so if you did like it, if you give feed the thumbs up, it always means a lot.
Thanks a lot for watching the Visheshik signing off and will you see you in our next video.